representatives' legal battle over censure continues after federal judge's ruling. In a move that has sparked debate and disappointment, U.S. District Court Judge Melissa DuBose ruled against Maine State Representative Lorel Libby on Friday. The ruling blocks Libby's attempt to overturn the censure she received in February for a social media post. The post in question identified a transgender athlete who won a girls' state pole vault title, leading to Libby's reprimand by the Maine state legislature. The censure, which came down on February 15, has left Libby unable to vote or speak on behalf of her 9,000 constituents in the 90th District of Maine for nearly 2 months. That's 62 days without her voice being heard in legislative matters, including a crucial vote on the state's biannual budget. "It's frustrating," Libby told Fox News Digital. "But I'm not giving up. I'll fight this all the way to the U.S. Supreme Court if I have to." Judge DuBose's decision to reject Libby's motion for a preliminary injunction comes after every district judge in Maine recused themselves from the case. Maine judges, including John C. Nivison, John A. Woodcock, and others, declined to hear the matter, which led the case to DuBose, appointed by former President Joe Biden in his final days in office. DuBose ruled that the process used by House Speaker Ryan Ficteau to impose the censure reflected the will of Maine's legislative majority. Essentially, it was seen as a majority decision that Libby's social media post violated legislative standards. It's a ruling that many believe further widens the political divide. So, what's next for Libby? Despite this setback, she remains determined. "I won't leave any stone unturned in getting my constituents their voice and vote back," she asserted. The timing couldn't be more crucial. With her censure still in place, Libby is blocked from participating in a vote on a controversial bill concerning transgender inclusion in girls' sports in Maine. The bill recently passed with a slim majority in the State House and now awaits a 2/3 majority in both chambers before it can be sent to voters. The bill, if passed, would enshrine in Maine's state constitution the right of transgender athletes to compete on sports teams that align with their gender identity. It would amend the Maine Human Rights Act, specifically addressing the issue of transgender participation in girls' sports. This legal battle has put Libby at odds with both her colleagues and the political landscape in Maine. It raises questions about how far the state can go in regulating social media posts and whether elected officials should face such consequences for their personal views, even when those views are made public. As for Libby, the fight is far from over. She's already preparing to take her case to the Court of Appeals, hoping that a higher court might offer a different perspective. Will this decision set a precedent for the future of political discourse and social media in the U.S.? Only time will tell. But one thing is clear, this legal drama is only beginning to unfold.